I got a feeling the audio recordings downstairs fucking are fucked up or something. It's trying to get me out of bed, which would get me down to listen to the recordings, which would make me discover that they fucked with the cameras last night. Possibility. They'd fucking wait for me to get up and discover it. But I got no fucking recording of that nasty. I'm close to the window now. The camera can see me. Yeah, you're right. You know. Perfect. Now the phone, you could hear me touch you that time. Because there's been this loud fucking rumbling noise going constantly. Now, the moment I got up, that fucking stopped. So it sounded like there was like some piece of, like maybe a fucking, like a really heavy truck, like a piece of heavy equipment from the yard or something up there, parked somewhere idling with the, like maybe a blade laid on the ground, something to make it rumble loud. Now you'll notice that that was going the whole time I was trying to fucking sleep. As soon as I get up, it cuts off. And that fucking plane noise comes in, so